welcome. Today in front of me Doogee S98 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first we should open the settings application and after that tap on the sound section. Then you'll see here the ring and notification volume panel, and just to change ringtone volume of your device you should swipe this volume panel to the left or to the right side with your finger. Also, you can do it by the second way, but first click here to default volume button control and switch media if you have selected media volume to the ringtone, and after that just by press up or down volume button we can also change ringtone volume of our device, and we can do it by the third way just by swipe this volume panel to the up or to the down. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.